Have you ever looked in the mirror, recognized your own face, but felt absolutely zero connection to the person staring back at you? Like you're playing a character in a movie of your own life, but someone else is writing the script. You're going through the motions, laughing when you're supposed to laugh, working when you're supposed to work, but inside, it's just dial tone. If that hits close to home, listen to me closely. You aren't broken. You aren't losing your mind. You're experiencing a very real psychological state of disconnection. And today, we are going to unpack exactly why you don't feel like yourself right now and how to find your way back. When you say, I don't feel like myself, what your brain is actually saying is, my current reality does not align with my core identity. This usually happens for three distinct reasons. The first is survival mode. When you're under prolonged chronic stress, whether from a demanding job, financial pressure, or personal turmoil, your nervous system gets stuck in a fight, flight, or freeze state. When your brain is dedicating all its energy just to keeping you safe and functioning, it actively deprioritizes your personality, your passions, and your sense of joy. You don't feel like yourself because you aren't living, you're surviving. The second reason is the dopamine flatline. We live in an era of constant low-effort stimulation. Doom scrolling, binge watching, instant gratification. Over time, this overloads your brain's dopamine receptors, leading to a baseline feeling of numbness or apathy. You lose your spark because your brain is exhausted. And the third is value misalignment. You've spent months or maybe years making choices based on what you feel you should do, rather than what actually matters to you. When you constantly perform to meet other people's expectations, your true self goes dormant. So how do we fix it? You don't need a massive, dramatic life overhaul. You need micro reconnections. Here are 3 things you can do to wake yourself back up. Number 1, ground your nervous system. Your mind won't feel safe enough to be you if your body feels like it's under constant threat. Take 5 minutes a day to sit in silence, breathe deeply, and physically notice where you are holding tension. Tell your body it is safe. Number 2, break the autopilot script. Do something, anything differently today. Take a different route to work. Order a completely different coffee. Listen to a genre of music you haven't heard since you were a teenager. Novelty jolts the brain out of its rut and reminds you that you have autonomy. And number 3, act on one core value. Pick one thing that is genuinely important to you. Maybe it's creativity or connection or learning. Spend just 10 minutes a day doing an activity tied to that value, with 0 expectations of productivity. You haven't lost yourself permanently. The real you is just waiting underneath the layers of stress, burnout, and obligations. You don't need to find yourself like you're searching for a lost set of keys. You just need to create an environment that is safe and authentic enough for yourself to return. Start small. Breathe. Break the routine. Welcome yourself back.